Hey friends, if you wish to install Explorer Patcher on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's not very difficult. I have shared the link to the GitHub page in the description section of the video. Click on code and select download zip. Okay, this will download a zipped file on your system. Click on the folder symbol, right click on it and select extract all. Extract it. Go to Explorer Master and then you will be able to launch it. Okay. So here's Explorer Patcher. Go to Explorer Patcher. Okay. And then you will have to click on the launcher, the utility file. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.